This tutorial will walk through how to use the Browse Providers page of Pulse Medical to find networks of practices, individual providers, and their parent business entities. You can use the Browse Providers page to find out which providers are similar to your NPI in your region of interest. Let's look for a specific anesthesia group in Colorado. I'll enter the name into the NPI name field and click Search. All of our potential matches will appear on the map and in the Provider Details pane on the right. You can easily copy individual IDs and groups of IDs to your clipboard using the copy icon. You can also add values to your filter criteria using the plus icon and the target icon. Let's zero in on a 100-mile radius from our target location to focus on a specific geography. Next, let's click the plus icon next to the anesthesiology classification to narrow down the type of provider we're looking at. I'll also remove the name restriction from our filter. Let's make sure we're only looking at organization entity types using the provider type filter. You can also use the Browse Providers page to determine which parent businesses are associated with your NPI and their negotiated rates. Let's find our Rocky Mountain Anesthesia Group. Click the Associated Businesses link to view all tax identification numbers and parent NPIs that are associated with your chosen provider. You can also use the Browse Providers page to find out which payers have published negotiated rates with your NPI. Navigate back to the list of providers and click the Show Payers with Negotiated Rates to view the associated list of payers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.